Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First we need to turn on the watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button on your watch for a couple of seconds. Once you see the Haylou logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Haylou Phone application on our phone. And to do it, you can open the Google Play Store. Also make sure that you have internet connection on your phone. Then in the Play Store, tap on search, type in Haylou Phone and tap search button. You should see this application, Haylou Phone, with this icon. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, tap on start the experience button, then tap on agree and continue, then tap on sign in/sign up. And here we can log in into an existing account or create a new account if you need to. You can also use the third-party accounts to log in, like Twitter, Facebook, WeChat and QQ chat, I believe, or something like that. Anyway, I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. So tap here, enter the email address, tap right here, enter the password. And then tap on sign in to log in. After you log in, you may get asked to allow the permission for the location. I believe you don't need to allow it, but I'm not sure. If you don't want to allow it, you can tap on cancel. I'm just gonna tap on go to settings and allow the permission, because I'm not sure if you deny it, you will be able to pair the devices together. The app will want you to allow the location for all the time, and it's gonna ask you quite a few times to do it. You can either allow it for all the time or just keep going back to ignore it, and hopefully it will give up and stop asking you about the permission. Okay, and once you're in the app and you're done with the permissions, you should see the home screen. Now tap on me, tap on add device, and here we have the list of devices. Find the Haylou RS4 on the list, tap on it, and the app should start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Haylou RS4. Tap on it to select it, then tap, oh never mind, let's wait. Now tap on the check mark to confirm on the watch, then tap on continue, and here we can allow the permission for the weather. So if you want to receive the weather from your location, you can tap on allow to allow the permission. If you don't want to, you can tap on jump to skip this step. I'm just gonna tap on allow. Next we have the notifications for incoming calls. You can allow the permission, so if you want to receive the notifications about the incoming calls on your phone, you need to tap on allow and allow the permissions. If you don't care about this feature, you can tap on jump to skip it and keep it disabled. I'm gonna tap on allow the oh my bad, allow. Let's go back. Allow the required permissions. Okay, and then we have the app notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, notifications from the applications, you need to tap on allow and then allow the required permissions. If you don't care about it, you can tap on jump. I'm gonna allow it, so allow, tap on the screen. Oh no, tap on understand right here. This will open the notification access. Here, find the Haylou Phone on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then tap on the back button a couple of times to go back to the app. And once you're in the app, you should see the enable notifications page, and here we can enable or disable the notifications. Okay, so once you enable the notifications or disable them, you can tap on complete. And then tap on begin use. Here we can allow the app to run in the background, you can do it by tapping on Go to Settings. This should redirect you to the background running permission, and here you can tap again on Go to Settings and then allow if you want to allow the app to run in the background. If you don't care about it, you can tap on Deny and then go back. But I'm pretty sure the app will keep reminding you about this permission, so if you don't want to bother with that, I would allow it, but remember that it probably will cost you more battery life on your phone because the app will be constantly open in the background. Okay, and once you're done with the permission in the background, you should see the device page for your Haylou RS4. And also you should be able to use your watch at this point. And this means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.